Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for smart, stylish, and innovative gadgets to upgrade your home, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 innovative home gadgets that blend creativity, convenience, and efficiency. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Magnetic Desk Lamp. This mesmerizing levitation desk lamp combines innovation with elegance. The floating LED bulb, suspended in midair using magnetic levitation technology, is a captivating addition to any home or office. Number 5. Smart Curtain Opener. Transform your curtains into smart automated features with this ingenious device. The Smart Curtain Opener is designed for renter-friendly installation, requiring no drilling for Roman T and U rail tracks. It features built-in luminosity and temperature sensors, automatically adjusting your curtains based on the lighting or temperature conditions. For extended use, it supports solar power and can run for up to 40 hours on a single charge. This device offers versatile control options, including Tuya app control, Bluetooth gateway, and integration with Alexa and Google Home for hands-free voice commands. Whether you're optimizing energy efficiency or adding smart home convenience, this curtain opener is a game changer. Number 4. Electric Hedge Trimmer. Maintaining your garden has never been easier with the WorkPro Electric Hedge Trimmer. This 2-in-1 cordless tool offers precision and power, making it ideal for trimming hedges and grass. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it eliminates the hassle of cords while providing consistent performance. The trimmer is lightweight and ergonomically designed, ensuring comfort during extended use. Its dual-action blade reduces vibration, delivering a smooth and efficient cutting experience. Whether you're shaping shrubs or tidying up your lawn, this versatile tool is a must-have for any gardening enthusiast. Number 3. Mosquito Repellent Lamp. Say goodbye to sleepless nights with this household mosquito repellent. Equipped with a rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery, it offers long-lasting protection against pesky insects. The lamp features 6 mosquito-attracting purple lights with a wavelength of 360 to 400 nanometers, combined with a powerful 3000-volt grid voltage to eliminate mosquitoes effectively. Number 2. Faucet Repair Tool. Simplify your plumbing tasks with the 8-in-1 sink faucet wrench. This non-slip tool is ideal for repairing sinks, toilets, and bathroom or kitchen plumbing. Its open-slot design provides easy access to supply lines, while the strainer basket accessory holds drain units securely during adjustments. The extra-long design makes it easy to reach mounting nuts in tight spaces, while the metal insert allows for quick rotations. It also features a built-in bubble level for precise positioning, ensuring a flawless installation. Durable and versatile, this tool is a valuable addition to any home repair kit. Number 1. Circular Cutter Kit. Precision meets practicality with the DSPIAE Circular Cutter Starter Kit. Designed for model assembly and other specific processes, this tool delivers stepless adjustments for flawless circular cuts. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip for accurate and efficient operation. Ideal for DIY projects, crafts, or professional use, this cutter simplifies complex tasks with ease. Whether you're creating detailed models or tackling intricate assembly work, this kit is a reliable partner for achieving precise results. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.